At many homes, jaggery is a synonym to baby food. Why did it happen so that we use jaggery so frequently? Is it good to use? What is the quantity that we can offer? At what age can we start using jaggery in baby food? Jaggery versus sugar, why is jaggery better? And many other questions related to jaggery will be answered in this video. My name is Kavita Prashant. Welcome to Tots and Moms. Do consider watching the video till the end. To understand why is jaggery better and nutritious than sugar, you will have to know the method of processing or making both of these. At first, jaggery is made by crushing sugar, taking the juice, boiling it, and then the crystals are formed. That would be jaggery powder. Further, to solidify, if they put it into mouth, you will have jaggery blocks. Now, similar processing is done in sugar, but lot of chemicals are used in each step. For filtration, they use flocculants. Then for giving it a good color, the whitish, which we all love, color precipitants are being used, and then the water which is used in the processing is also to undergo some purification. So there a lot of chemicals are used, and imagine until it comes into your hand with the packaging, what all chemicals may have been used, and it is totally ripped off all the nutrients during the process. There is no mineral, no vitamin, nothing. It is just an unhealthy substance which is having zero nutrients, I can say. This is why jaggery is healthier. Though it is a form of sugar, it has its own health benefits and it is good to use in moderation. Let's know the benefits of jaggery. At first, it is good for people with respiratory illnesses, and it aids digestion. It has good amount of fiber, so it prevents constipation. It is rich in iron, calcium and phosphorus, and hence it is good for anemic children. It acts as a detoxifier, and it also helps boosting immunity. How did it happen that jaggery become a synonym to baby food? In each and every region of India, you can see jaggery being used in baby food. At what age, what quantity is ideal, and all I'll explain further. Babies carry iron from mother's womb, and until 6 months it is ideal, it is taken care of. But the iron starts depleting after 6 months, the stock is getting over, and then is when, along with breast milk, a complementary food is recommended. This is why breast milk is sufficient till an year, but you will complement it with solids to give this nutrition which is majorly required. Unfortunately, in rural India, it was observed that due to malnutrition, iron deficiency, there were a lot of mortality rate was increasing, and when they checked what they can do best, they got to know iron is high in jaggery. Jaggery is easily available in rural parts of India. They started recommending usage of jaggery in baby food and kids food, and this way they could curb this issue. Now imagine how much would they eat? People who have lesser food would have this amount of food and add a little jaggery to it, so iron is taken care of. Now coming to 2022, and we have abundance of food, especially if you have a mobile, you are able to see this, you can afford to have good amount of food, offer it to your children. And a big family where everybody is behind feeding their child, they ensure that this amount of food is anytime fed. When all this is taken care of, you do not need a jaggery to be a regular substance being fed to the baby. There are so many things that we offer, and along with it, occasionally we need to give jaggery. Coming to the second part, we assume, we Indians think, I mean most of them, definitely when I say Indians, I don't want to be caught hold of that, because we use jaggery in so many food forms. Now we think without salt or sugar, how will anybody have food? Why will we have food? There are so many families who are quitting salt because it isn't healthy, it isn't a necessity. And until a year if you offer it, you are damaging your child's kidney. It is definitely not recommended by WHO or IMO. And coming to jaggery or sugar part, it is not necessary again. Until a year it's not to be given. If you give it, Babies will get addicted to it over a year or two. When you want them to switch to regular family food, they find it very difficult because they want everything sweet now. Sweet is easier for them to understand, to taste, to digest is what they think. This, if you don't want, please ensure you include all natural spices. Their taste buds are so active that they can understand the sweetness of sweet potato, the tanginess of the lemon rice that you make without salt, or any simple ingredient also they can quickly understand. Their taste buds are not mishandled like we have handled it already by using too much of sugar and salt. But on the other hand, if you include sugar, it can spike up baby sugar level, and babies or kids can have insomnia. They wouldn't sleep, they would be overactive. But jaggery is good, better, because jaggery is absorbed slowly in the body. So these issues are not there, and if you want to use jaggery, use it in moderation, very limited quantity. I'm sorry, I'm making a lot of mistakes. So until a year, 8 months you can start, until a year you can give weekly, thrice in just one time of the food. You don't have to offer jaggery in all the foods. We don't eat sweet all day, all week. We eat it in festivals or occasionally. So this is how you have to plan it for your children. And jaggery to be used, you can use it in form of porridges for toddlers, you can use it in juices, milkshake, pancakes, halwa that you make, kheer that you make, bakes, healthy bakes, you can make it without maida and with jaggery. So these are things that you can try. Coconut jaggery and palm jaggery are the new variants. I mean, it's there for a long time. Traditionally, they have been sold, but recently the powders are well advised for babies in baby food because these are more healthier. They come with higher amount of magnesium and iron, which is required for babies, optimal growth, and they also taste good. They have this nutty caramelized flavor that anybody would love to. So do give it a try. So at Tots and Moms Foods, this is a brand which evolved when my daughter was around a year and a half, and I understood the importance of making homemade food and offering junk-free food, and not offering foreign-made foods to Indian kids because the adaptability issues are there. We always prefer giving local, seasonal and fresh foods to children. So anything with preservatives, chemicals was not on my agenda. So when I was making such things, one of my friend advised, and this is how the brand evolved. And when I understood the amount of harm that sugar can bring into children, we were making cookies with sugar, we were making drink mixes like kesar almond drink, ragi almond drink with sugar. I had to immediately stop it. It took us a lot of time to restart the cookies because we had to experiment and research how to make it without sugar and yet crunchy, and today we have successfully come up with 3 variants which I am proud to announce. And on the other hand, we also made pancake mixes, drink mixes with jaggery only. So do give it a try. At shop.totsandmoms.com you can find these products. Okay, I want to add few generic things which are not part of baby food, but to know about jaggery is good. Few of them ask such questions regularly to me, that's why I'm including it in here. So first one is, yes, jaggery comes with impurities. So as our elders used to do, add a little amount of water to it, melt it, allow it to cool down, and then strain it over and use it using any filter. And yeah, jaggery, when you go to buy, don't buy the white mold that you find. Please go ahead and buy the darker one. The darker, the pure it is. And can diabetic have jaggery? Definitely no. Jaggery has a higher glycemic index. Yes, it is having healthier nutrients, but for a person with diabetes who is advised to not have any form of sugar, jaggery is also not advised. What it is for healthy alternative is that anybody who can have sugar can have it in tea, coffee, like kheer and all sort of desserts and healthy bakes, you can make a healthy switch, because if you start using it today, your children will find it easier to make the switch. And it is very important for the mission healthy next gen that we are aiming at. What we do is, till a year or two even, we will think that it is good to give jaggery, but as soon as they cross that time, they are coming to us with supermarkets and other places. If they are demanding chocolate, if their friends are having it, we say it's okay to have occasionally. No, people, there is an addiction which is created when you offer sugar loaded chocolate, candies, ice cream. Nothing is okay. The quicker you switch, the healthier the next generation will be. All our elders were healthier. Their energy at 60 is so high, at 30 we will not have. This is the reason, because we are okaying everything. They did not have it, they were healthier. They used to eat laddu with jaggery. All festivals had sweet foods made with jaggery. So the switch, as immediate as it is possible, is good. And I share a lot of recipes on our Tots and Moms channel, where maida, junk or sugar free foods recipes I share. Do give it a check. I help I make videos where snack box items I show, lunch box, healthy breakfast options also I show, which can be made very quickly, because I don't have time as an entrepreneur, as mother of 2 children, and the one who also is a YouTuber who makes videos like this. I run a food industry. I am a YouTuber because most of them love our videos. I am continuously doing it. Yes, if you love, do comment and let me know. Without it, I wouldn't know people. Recently, I had stopped making videos due to the business commitment that I had, and now I have resumed. So please shower that love, comment and tell me. If you keep quiet, I wouldn't know how this content is appealing to you people. And yes, towards the end, I would request you to give a check to shop.totsandmoms.com. Here you can find the jaggeries that I mentioned, and also jaggery based products. You can also find our products on Amazon, Flipkart, FastCry, Big Basket, and other prominent online stores like M1MG. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do comment as I already requested, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. If you have any content request, video request, do tell me that as well. Mission Healthy Next Generation is our motto. Be with us. Bye-bye.